Are you curious about trying out dark VS Code themes to enhance your coding experience? There's a world of options out there. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to some fun and engaging dark themes for the VS Code editor that you might not have encountered before. Coding is not just about functionality but also about making it visually appealing, and that's where these themes come into play. I'm going to show you a bunch of 14 themes that I think you'll like. And guess what? There's an extra surprise for you. On top of those 14, I'll also tell you about 4 more bonus themes that I like and use a lot. Which one is your favorite theme? Tell me in the comments. Let's start this video with the Yonce theme. To get it set up, I'll show you the installation process step by step. I'll click on the extension icon and search for Yonce. Click on it. And then hit the Install button. Once it's applied, you'll immediately notice the stunning transformation. Your HTML documents look sleek. And your CSS code will have an eye-catching edge. But hold on, we're just getting started. Before we explore the next theme, we'll remove the current one. Now, let me introduce you to the Pale Night theme. Click on it. This installation will give your HTML a fresh, modern look. And the CSS elements will pop beautifully. Before moving forward, let's uninstall this current theme. Let's check out the next theme, which is New Moon Syntax Theme, a wonderful choice for enhancing readability. Select this one and install it. Your display looks fantastic. Have a look at the HTML document. And now CSS. Both are looking great. Uninstall this theme. Moving forward, let's talk about the Firefly Pro theme. Install it. This theme further enhances the visual appeal of your code. I hope you will like this theme. Let's uninstall this theme. Now, let's move on to the next theme called the Kanagawa theme. Select this one and install it. With this theme, your HTML will catch the eye, and your CSS will stand out. Before moving forward, let's uninstall this current theme. The next theme in line is the Synthwave 84 theme. Hit the Install button to apply this theme. When you use this theme, your code takes on an impressive appearance. CSS document is also looking good. Now, let's talk about the next theme, which is the Mariana Pro theme. Go ahead and install this one. Let's take a look at how the HTML looks. Examine the CSS file as well. This option is also an excellent pick for you. And if you're interested in having a hacker-style appearance, you're going to like the Pro Hacker theme. Select this one and install it. It'll make your appearance look like those hackers you see in movies. Everything will turn into shades of green and black. Moving on, there's the next theme, which is the AU theme. Select this one and install it. Our HTML and CSS document is looking awesome. This theme not only offers a great look but also provides a variety of shades to choose from. To explore these different shades, you can access the settings by clicking on this icon. Then, go to the Themes section and select the Color Theme option. You'll find various shades of AU available. Let's pick this one. Let's check the other themes with the same process. This theme also provides a light theme. You can explore the other themes. Our next theme is called August Material Pale Night. This one is also a nice theme. This theme follows a similar pattern to what we did for the previous theme. It also provides a variety of shades and themes to match what you like. Just like before, go to the settings, then navigate to themes, and choose the theme options to explore different colors and styles. It offers a range of themes that you'll love. Feel free to explore these themes on your own. If you're a fan of the clean and professional look, the GitHub theme will be a great companion for your coding projects. As always, customization is key, and you can explore the options through the settings menu. You can explore them on your own. Now, move to our next theme, which is Bearded Theme. Install it by pressing this button. This theme offers a range of different styles to choose from. To explore them, head to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find a collection of various themes under the Bearded theme name. Let's take a look at a few of these. Our next theme is the Moegi theme. Install it. It also provides different shades of this theme. You can explore them by setting the menu. Finally, let's talk about the Material theme, a beloved choice among developers for its sleek and polished appearance. It also provides a variety of themes. You can explore them on your own. Within this single theme, you can access even more stunning themes. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, the bonus themes. Starting with the first bonus theme, its name is the One Dark Pro theme. It's known for its harmonious design and superior clarity. Most developers use this theme. I love this theme. I use this theme most of the time. Let's uninstall it to move further. Our next theme is Hack the Box. Select this one and install it. And it brings a unique look. I'm fond of its blue and green color scheme. This theme happens to be one of my personal favorites. Let's uninstall it. My next favorite theme is Dracula Official. It strikes a great balance between style and readability that's truly impressive. I have a soft spot for this theme. Lastly, let's talk about the final bonus theme, Code Blue. Select this one and install it. This theme offers a unique vibe through its color scheme. This is how our HTML file appears with this theme. And here's the CSS file. Let me know your favorite theme in the comments section. Each of these themes brings its character to your coding space. Don't hesitate to explore and experiment with them to find the one that resonates with you best. If you found this video useful, show your support by liking it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on upcoming videos.